Hello everyone, my name is Julia and I work for Cambridgeshire Libraries. I can't believe it's November already, the 5th of November to be specific. And to celebrate Bonfire night, today we're going to be painting some spectacular fireworks, just like my 2-year-old daughter did yesterday. Let's get started. For this craft you will need paper or card, paint, a cardboard tube, scissors and some paper plates. Let's take our cardboard tube, toilet paper roll or a kitchen roll will do, and start cutting it at one end. Remember, always be careful with the scissors. If you're not feeling confident, just ask your grown-up for help. The farther you will cut, the bigger your firework will be. And then let's bend all these little strips just like this. Then let's choose the colors you would like to use and pour them into the plates. If you're using black paper, just like me, I suggest you to use bright colors like yellow or orange, and you can always mix your paint with a hint of white to make the color lighter. Now, let's dip your cardboard in the paint and let's print some fireworks onto the paper. You can use 2 fireworks cardboard fan and start printing with the largest one and then print over the top with the small one, or you can try the other way around too. Or you can use the same cardboard fan overlapping a single fireworks with several colors. Probably going to be messy, so I suggest you to use a tray, but to finish off the fireworks effect, you can also carefully add a small amount of glitter to the wet paint. Here's your beautiful fireworks picture. Sometimes actual fireworks can be loud and scary, but I'm sure you will enjoy creating your own fireworks in different sizes and colors. Thank you for watching and see you again soon. Bye!